Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts, the Dream Pair's women's arch support hiking sandals. If you're in search of comfort, durability, and style, you've come to the right place. These sandals are designed not just for hiking, but for everyday adventures, combining functionality with a trendy look. These hiking sandals stand out for their exceptional arch support, making them ideal for long walks and outdoor activities. The sole is crafted from thermoplastic rubber, ensuring a firm grip on various surfaces, whether you're on rocky trails or sandy beaches. With a soft midsole and convenient hook and loop closures, these sandals offer a snug fit without compromising on comfort. They're easy to slip on and off, perfect for those who value both style and practicality. Whether you're planning a hike, a beach vacation, or just running errands, these sandals are up for the challenge. Their quick-drying fabric keeps your feet cool and comfortable, making them a great choice for any water-related activities. The Dream Pair's sandals come in multiple colors, adding a touch of style to your outdoor ensemble. They're built to last, designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures while maintaining their trendy appeal. To sum it up, if you're looking for the best women's hiking sandals with arch support, look no further than the Dream Pair's women's arch support hiking sandals. They combine comfort, durability, and style in one package, making them a smart choice for any outdoor enthusiast. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and links to purchase these fantastic sandals. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, happy exploring!